I had some free 3D printable downloadable files for the REDCAT bed dancer for y'all. But before we get to that, I just want to let y'all know that actually REDCAT is actually stocking parts, or starting to stock parts for this thing down their website. So they do have the wheel caps. I'm still missing one over there from my last time out. So I ordered a couple of sets of those. So I hope I'll get those soon, and this thing will be up and running, even though I really don't drive it. But anyway, so just to let y'all know, and down in the description below, I'll have links to all the files that I've been using and creating and everything else. So I did create this bed cover right here, just a flat panel right here, nothing special, and it's got the little supports right here. So you can just take some E6000 and just put dabs on these spots right here, put it on here and kind of hold it in place, put some weight on it or whatever, hold it in place for like 10, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes, I think, I don't know, until it's good and sturdy. And it'll stay in place, you're playing with it and all that stuff, and when you're ready to pull it out, you can just pop it back out. This stuff peels right off. I can show you this right here. This is another one that I did, just orange, just to see what it looked like in the truck, and it was a little too much actually, but I just had to see what it looked like. But going back to this E6000, I mean, it's just, if you want to change stuff out, then you just pull it back apart and it peels right off. So that works good there. So anyway, I got two versions of this bed cover. This one right here that kind of sits on top of the bed, on top of the tailgate, and on top of the bed rail back here. And then I have this other version right here that actually sits inside the bed, so it's a little bit deeper, a little bit lower. So I have that also, so y'all can download those. And then the one that I'm actually going to put in this truck, and I'll have this file for y'all to download also, is the one with the speakers and the amp on it. So I'm actually going to do that. I'm going to put the topper on it. So I'm going to do that. But I created this bed cover right here, so it's got the 4 holes in it. And then I'll have a link too where you can download the speakers for free. You just have to upscale them if you're, you got Bamboo or the Maker World, I think, website. You can just upscale them. So I went from 100% to 140%. So I went up 40% to make them look bigger. And then I had to pay for these amps. I downloaded those, but I'll put a link in that also if y'all are interested in that. But let's go ahead and glue this piece in real quick, and then we'll set it up. Actually, it doesn't take much. You can see I've already glued these on with this E6000, along with the amp too. They're already glued on. And it doesn't need a whole lot, just to put some there. And I know it looks messy, but I'm messy, so it doesn't matter. We'll set that in the bed right there. We'll put my phone to weight it down, let it sit on there like, I don't know, about 5 or 10 minutes. So we'll be right back.
Much later.
Okay, I think I was a little longer than 10 minutes, so I walked away and kind of forgot about it. But it seems to be in place now. Cool. So now that that's in, I'm going to put the topper back on, so I'll get these bed caps off. And I'm hoping Light Kit comes out pretty soon. I know some people's already made some. I've heard some horror stories about hooking the lights up and everything else. There's really no place for it, so you got to kind of split it off the servo or something like that. But I really want to do the headlights, tail lights. I want to do underglow on here too, and I'd actually like to do a light inside here somehow. I don't know if it'd be hard to do the wiring, but maybe get like a magnet mount, like a magnet the connector. That way when it slides on, the magnets touch and the power comes on the top. So that'd be kind of cool. But anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you got any comments or anything to say about this, what I'm doing, feel free to post a comment below. Like I said, these are free to download except for the amps. Like I said, I didn't create those. You have to pay for those if you want them, if you want to download them. And if you don't have, even if you don't have a 3D printer, maybe you got know someone that does. But anyway, I think it's pretty cool. This is great for the Founders Edition right now, and hopefully in the next few months, REDCAT will actually have this in production, and the aftermarket surely is going to blow up on this thing. So I'm kind of curious to see what it's going to be about. But anyway, guys, again, thank y'all very much, and y'all be good and take care.